Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got a Walmart. I bought a haul for you. Got a little small haul. I went by Walmart, picked up a few items because I was going there anyway. So I decided to see what Ibotta deals I could pick up, guys. Now, before we jump into the haul, we must do one shout out. We must shout out April. April decided to sign up to use Ibotta using my referral code, and I appreciate you so very much, April. Thank you. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, commenting, subscribing. You guys are just amazing, Coupon crew. I thank y'all so very much. Y'all make Coupon and Crystal feel special. All right, so let's jump into it. Now, first deal I decided to do was on the Pillsbury pull-apart kit. I'm so glad. Y'all know I always shop at the neighborhood Walmart, so I wasn't sure they were going to have this item, but they did happen to have it. And I got the garlic bread, the one that I wanted. This was priced $3.98. Now, both of the rebates are attaching. The garlic one and I think the monkey bread one. I may be saying it wrong, but I'm going to pop the picture up so you guys can see. Both of the $1 rebates are attaching to this one item, making the final cost $1.98 because you're getting $2 back from Ibotta. And I ain't turning it down, shoot. I'm taking it. The next thing that I decided to get, guys, was I found the Mountain Dew Rise. I went to a different neighborhood Walmart, actually near my brother. So this one is the Mountain Dew Rise Orange Breeze. Now this was up by the registers, guys, but it was not in the cooler. They had them stacked on a shelf right beside of the cooler, but it was up at the registers, okay? So hopefully you guys will be able to locate it. It's priced $1.98. I have a rebate to get $1.98 back from Ibotta, making it be free. Yeah, good deal. Next deal I decided to get was on the All laundry detergent. The All is priced $2.97. Now I did have a $1.50 insert coupon that is in the save insert for this coming Sunday, 10/24. Okay, I have the inserts early. That's why I have the coupon. I did the insert preview. I will link it above. Okay, now that made my cost in store be $1.47. I have 75 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the cost be 72 cents. There is an any laundry rebate that also attached to this, giving me an additional 10 cents for a final cost of 62 cents for laundry detergent. Why would I not do it? Okay. Why would I not? Especially since P&G about to go up on y'all prices. Did y'all see the news today? Yeah. P&G said they ain't about that life. Y'all ain't gonna keep on selling their product, reselling their product, getting their stuff dirt cheap with them daggone coupons. They're about to go up on the price. Yeah. Whole news program talking about P&G going up on their prices. I gotta do a whole other video about that because that's interesting to me. Them last night, guys, so they don't, you can't really see them. We ate them last night. We had hamburgers last night, and I made my husband ground chicken hamburgers or ground chicken burgers, and that thing was actually good. I'm gonna tell you what I did to it. I put feta cheese, was an Ibotta. That was an Ibotta item when we kept getting that feta cheese crumbles, feta cheese, chopped spinach. I put a little bit of bread in it. I toasted a piece of bread and I crumbled it up, put the bread in there, and I put some beefy onion soup mix. All right, where is it at? Oh, I put it in the cabinet. Beefy onion soup mix. I put some of that in there. Ooh, that thing tasted like my ground beef burger, okay? I might have to move over to the chicken burger side because it was tasting pretty good. Now, what I used was these Nature's Own perfectly crafted buns, okay? Hamburger buns, but they're actually brioche style, okay? So I was gonna get these buns. I was gonna get hamburger buns anyway. So I decided to look to see if I had an Ibotta rebate, and I did. These were priced $2.78 on the shelf. But when you scanned them with your app, they were $2.88. So I made the lady price override it in self-checkout. I'm not paying an extra 10 cents, okay? So she price overrid it. I took a picture, of course. It was $2.78. And then I got back my 75 cents, making the final cost $2.03 for my buns, which actually ended up being cheaper than the Sam's. I think I was going to get the Sam's Club Hawaiian sweet rolls, the buns. I think it ended up being cheaper than those. So these are actually good. I will buy these again. See, Ibotta knows what they're doing because I try these new products and I end up liking them and I buy them anyway. You know what I'm saying? It's working, it's working. Now give me a bonus. So I did found this Heritage Store rose water and glycerin facial spray. I found it on clearance. There is a $1 coupon that was hanging on the product, and we've got that Ibotta rebate. I didn't get it. I just wanted to show you guys. Next on clearance, I found this Method soap, the hand soap refill, and there is a Ibotta rebate for this. So I didn't decide to get it, but I did want to show you guys, so maybe you could be looking out for it for the clearance in your Walmarts. The next rebate I did was Shopkick. Okay, this is Shopkick, and it is for the Impossible sausage made from plants, spicy sausage. It's supposed to be like a ground sausage. It cooks like ground sausage, so they say. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments below, Coupon Crew, if you have, okay? Now, I haven't. I'm getting it for my love bug, Mr. Richard. So we're gonna try it for Richard on Saturday. Hopefully this will be good. Price $4.98, guys. Now, scanning in store, you're gonna get 40 kicks. Uploading your receipt, you're gonna get 500 for a total of $2.16. Coming back from Shopkick, making the final cost $2.82 for the sausage. I think that's a good deal, okay? Because, you know, this plant-based products are a little pricey. Now, we got to take a little slide over to Swag Bucks, okay? Because y'all know Swag Bucks is showing me favor now, and I got to get it. My Palmolive deal went through again, guys. If you're not familiar with Swag Bucks, you need to clip the offer before you shop, okay? These are priced $2.33. You can buy one, you can buy two, or you can buy three. If you decide to buy three, it's going to give you back $5 in Swag Bucks, okay? It's going to cost you $6.99 at $2.33 each. What I had to pay in store, got back my $5 from Swag Bucks, making the final cost only $1.99 for 3 bottles of Palmolive dishwashing liquid. I am cool. Ham sandwich falling over here. I am good with that. Yes, guys. So the total of all my items that I got today and the total of all my products that I got was $23.68. I only had that $1.50 all laundry coupon, dropped my cost to $22.18. Did have a $5 Shopkick gift card that I used, made my cost in store be $15.18. I got back $5.58 from Ibotta. Then I got back $2.16 from Shopkick, making the final cost $7.44. That's not too bad. For 8 items, that's about 93 cents each. I can deal with that. All right, great deals for me, considering not getting any bonuses, guys. Y'all go run and do them bonuses for me, because I ain't getting any. I keep talking about that because I'm bothered by it. Can you tell? So I'm real selective on what I'm not bother shopping for. Shoot. And something else I was going to tell you guys. Oh, let me tell you what the lady did. I'm about to call her a girl. Let me tell you what the lady did in the store. Now, I was in self-checkout because all they seem to have open when you go in Walmart now is self-checkout, okay? My neighborhood Walmart, all the aisles are self-checkout except about 2 or 3, okay? So there was no cashiers this time of the night. So she had me to come over to her because I need her to price override those hamburger buns, okay? That were ringing up incorrectly, that I honestly feel, because of the price increases that is taking place in the stores right now, you do need to be extra diligent about making sure what you're paying and what is there at the shelf is the same thing. Because say for instance, these buns, perfect example, they were $2.78 on the shelf, but when you scan them on the app, they were $2.88. What is that? Was that a typo? Was that because they increased the price? We don't know, okay? But 10 cent, I mean, if they 10, 5, 10, 15, 20 cent on stuff, I mean, your amount can go up because you're not paying attention. And I like to pay attention about that, okay? Next thing was, I went to the lady, you know, she had to move me to her register. And I bought 2 Roma tomatoes. This is funny. I bought 2 Roma tomatoes. Because her scale did not work, she decided to ring me up for 2 cucumbers. Who told her to do that? Which was $1.20. Now, see, this is my thing. I said, why did you ring me up for cucumbers? She said, my scale don't work. My scale don't work right here. And that's my problem. I said, well, I hope that's cheaper than the price that is. She thought about that thing because you know good well the weight of 2 Roma tomatoes. These ain't big as a minute. You know that is not gonna be no $1.20. $1.20 for no 2 tomatoes. So she went on and changed the price to 60 cents. Thank you. Yeah, 1 cucumber for them 2 Romas. I'm sorry, y'all. Look, what do we say? Frugal living is a lifestyle. And it's a lifestyle of paying attention. Paying attention to where your money go, okay? Because if you don't pay attention, guess what? They don't care. In the store, they do not care how much your stuff is. They just there. Boop, boop. They doing a job, honey. They do not care that your stuff rang up wrong. That's your job. That is it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. If you guys have not already subscribed to the Coupon Crew, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, because we are trying to get to 10,000 Coupon Crew members, okay? By the end of, we're trying to get that before Christmas. How about that? We tried to get there before Christmas. I hope you guys have seen the Frugal Tip Tuesday video for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've already got my idea set for this coming Tuesday. So I hope you guys are enjoying the series. I am. If you are, let me know in the comments below of the video. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your evening. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.